Everyone, this is Sarah, and I wanted to give you some more information about my Farcical Life training in 2021. I created Farcical Life for Women as a learning journey in 2019, the purpose of which is to really help women to break out of the mold, to become their authentic selves. And specifically, the journey to doing that is through identifying your feelings, learning to really feel our feelings. Funnily enough, often when we're busy and often when we are busy being a mum or busy working or busy juggling 89 things, as women often do, sometimes we forget to feel. So it starts with feeling our feelings. Then it moves on to looking at some of the beliefs and ideas that we have inherited from our family, from society, from culture, and through our DNA. Whether we know this or not, we inherit concepts about gender throughout the ages, and I'm going to talk to you about that on the training because it's really quite interesting. The point is, we are moving into a different age. We are moving into an age of equality, and we're moving into an age where it's okay to really be our authentic selves. And what I mean by that is it's finding our real femininity. It isn't about, as it was in the 1990s, trying to be like a man in order to assert our power. It's actually being who we really are in order to assert our power. And that is the key. So, the Farcical Life Learning Journey has 9 parts. The first one really is the initial exploration into ideas that you've picked up, beliefs that you hold, values that you have that are not serving you, where they've come from to give you a little bit of context and understanding, and learning to let go of old emotions and really feel your feelings. The second part starts the second part encompasses how to use those feelings, how to swing the pendulum of your emotions to actually start to create momentum in your life towards what you want. And then as we move through the rest of the elements of that 9-part learning journey, it's really about giving you a much broader perspective, giving you knowledge into things that you may or may not know about now. And really it's about finding balance and harmony in who you really are and accepting yourself for who you really are and having the confidence to live that life no matter what. And guess what? When we find balance and harmony in the life that we want to live, we find joy every single day. And really, that's what this is all about. So I really hope you come and join me. And this program is for anyone who really wants more out of life. Anyone who finds themselves repeating the same patterns over and over again. They're like, what's happening? How is this happening in my world? Why does the same thing keep happening? Come along. Trust me, you will get to the bottom of it. It's also for women who want to break out of the mold that they may have created for themselves, perhaps within the family, perhaps within work, and they just want to really boost their confidence and self-esteem so that actually they can live the life that they're worthy of. So, come join. I run these programs over 2 weekends. It's 4 days, 3 hours a day with workbooks for each day. Check out the link below. Come and book on part 1. And then in your own time, there is no schedule other than your schedule, you take the next level. Wishing you a wonderful 2021.